It's a rainy day today, so it's a perfect time for me to plant some flowers in the garden. Now I was gonna put these in a pot. These are the ones that I got from Armstrong Garden Center. I was gonna put them in a pot, but then I thought, look at how pretty. That's almost like a garden bouquet just right there. And this spot needed a little bit of something. So here we go, let's get them planted. As you can see, the soil is nice and damp. This is perfect time to plant because your soil is not hard and dry. Look at that, it just goes in like butter. So pretty. Found a nice big fat friend in the garden. And there it is, all planted up. That's instant impact right there. Now everything's gonna grow and fill out a little bit. That's just, looks like spring to me.